Imagine yourself in this Kia 2019 Sorento 3.3 LX Sport. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 290 horsepower, 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.